How to use Tremendous Visa card. Now, in this video, I'm going to be providing you informations on what other ways or what are the key features that you can do and use while using this Tremendous Visa card. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to do is, of course, activate your Visa card. So there are actually a lot of options that you can do. Say, for example, you have the physical Visa gift card on hand, or if you do have the virtual Visa card, those specific instructions that we'll be giving out to you will always be on the email address associated with your Tremendous account. You just need to activate those. So, say, for example, for physical card, it is usually located at the back of your card. To activate them, you just need to enter 20-digit code at the back of your card and then make sure that you have fully activated it, and you can definitely use them for online purchases or for in-store purchases. So those are the things that you can do for you to get started and use Tremendous Visa card.